Hello, my name is Christine Lee, and I will be presenting our work called The Unboxing Experience, Exploration and Design of Initial Interactions Between Children and Social Robots. As social robots are increasingly a part of children's lives, how to introduce and integrate these products into children's environment is important to understand. Compared to other technological products, human-robot interaction requires unique design paradigms from the moment of unboxing, considering social dynamics such as agency, character, and the role of the robots. Moreover, the unboxing moment is important for creating connection between the robot and the user, which can improve the long-term success of the robot design and facilitate child-robot relationships. In this project, we explore the unboxing experience in the context of social robots with children. We investigate what constitutes the unboxing experience and how it can influence children's perception towards social robots. We conduct 3 studies to explore, design, and evaluate the unboxing experience of social robots with children. During our first exploration study, we observed children's naturalistic practices when unboxing a social robot to explore and define the unboxing experience. There were 2 categories of findings, being physical design of the box and social interaction design. Design themes in the category of physical design of the box were related to tangible, concrete, or aesthetic design factors. Themes included in this category were the appearance of the box, opening of the box, reusability of the box, background story for the robot, and the robot's instruction manuals. Design themes in the category of social interaction design were focused on the relationship built between children and social robots. Themes included in this category were the robot's greeting, robot personality, first interaction between the child and the robot, and shared activities with the robot. We then conducted a participatory design session with children, where children designed their own unboxing experience. Children's design included their own box for a robot, a social robot figurine, and first interactions with the robot. The designs from children helped us understand their perspectives in design as they suggested multiple design factors for the unboxing experience. Children designed various shapes of boxes, but commonly made the box a place for the robot to permanently live or stay in, such as a house shape. Children also designed the box to match the robot's theme, such as a race car box for a racing robot, a jungle-themed box for an active robot, and so on. The interior and exterior of the box were both decoratively designed, including meaningful design elements from the child. The box was also designed to be reusable for playing with the robot, such as the house or race car box. Many children also built a relational narrative around their box and robot, where the story included both to interact with each other. Children also designed interactive and engaging activities for first interactions, such as Q&A sessions, eye contact, dancing activities, and more. Based on our exploration and co-design studies, we developed an initial prototype for the unboxing experience. This included a box, a basic narrative, and an interaction procedure with the social robot. We then conducted a feedback session to solicit feedback on our prototype from children to better understand and reflect their perspectives. There are 2 sets of main features that the prototype integrated in its design: the appearance of the box and social aspects of the box. For the appearance of the box, children suggested to decorate the interior and exterior design to more realistically resemble a house, and the interior components to better reflect the robot's theme. Children also suggested for the robot and box to have multiple themes for a variety of activities and interactions with the robot. For social aspects of the box, children were favorable to the box having a social entity and a character to support the robot. Children also provided detailed ideas for the narrative, which included both the robot and the box. The narrative was suggested to be introduced through a letter as prior interaction to familiarize and excite the child before meeting the robot. Automated lights and speech audios were suggested to support communication and social personalities, also to allow immediate interactions. After the feedback session, we implemented the feedback in the final unboxing experience design. Our final unboxing experience involved 3 main features. First, it included a box with a social entity, where the box acted both as a home and a butler for the social robot, supporting the interaction between the robot and the child. Second, a 4-phase interaction procedure was developed for the unboxing experience, which included prior interaction, packaging, first interaction, and first impression. Finally, multiple designs of the box and interaction procedures were made to support different themes of the robot, specifically a reading robot and an exercise robot. In our last study, we evaluated the final unboxing experience with new children. Our evaluation findings map to our exploration findings, in which features related to the appearance of the box and social aspects shape children's experiences during unboxing. From the appearance of the box, children explained how the physical shape and exterior design made them feel more excited to meet and keep the robot. The interior design helped children understand the robot's purpose and set expectations for future interactions. For social aspects, children described how the social entity and the character of the box strengthened the social aspect of the robot itself, making the robot feel more friendly and approachable. This role of the box also sparked children's interest and imagination, further allowing children to relate and engage in the robot experience. The light and audio cues of the box promoted curiosity and excitement for children to interact with the robot, while also serving as communicative features. Additionally, the lights and audio also eased the tension of first meeting a robot. Finally, children described how the background story helped fill the gaps of curious points children had for the robot, which strengthened children's likeness toward the robot and the robot's companionship. From our studies of exploration, co-design, and evaluation, we present the following takeaways. First, we learned the importance of visual attractiveness. This highlights many opportunities in design to offer children a more positive unboxing experience through the shape and design of the box, interior and exterior design, and robot components. Second, the social interaction during the unboxing experience was also important, as children valued interactive icebreaker activities when first meeting the robot. These first interactions were important to explore and understand the robot's capabilities and maintain interest toward the robot. Third, another important lesson was a social connection built during the unboxing experience. Not limited to the robot, but expanding the social experience with various entities in the unboxing experience helped children build positive relationships with the robot and favorable perspectives for future interactions. Finally, we learned new opportunities to redesign robot materials. Not being limited to traditional robot technology, children suggested new ways of designing materials in these products, such as instruction manuals, methods for the robot's initial setup, and robot boxes. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to answering your questions.